Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Let's take a look at this practice question. Write down the order of rotational symmetry of the diagram. So what we have to do first is we have to define rotational symmetry. We have to understand what this means. Rotational symmetry means that when you rotate the shape by a certain angle around its center, it looks exactly the same. So the next thing that we'll do is we'll analyze the diagram provided. And then we will start by imagining a 360-degree rotation. So let's rotate it 90 degrees. This is what the new diagram will look like. And then we rotate it another 90 degrees. And this is what the new diagram will look like. So here you can see the shape or the diagram looks identical. Let's rotate it another 90 degrees. This is what the diagram will look like. So for this diagram, the shape looks identical in two positions during a full 360-degree rotation. So the order of rotational symmetry is equal to 2. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.